Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, 12th May 2024, brutal commanders of ARSO are Abdul Halim, 2, Abu Anos, 3, Kukuli. And Rohingya women are raped by the ARSO due to ballots of FBM police. And in our Rohingya refugee camp, Rohingya youths are being sold by collaboration ARSO and FBM police in camp. Terrorists are responsible the ongoing Holocaust and genocide against Rohingya in Arakan. Also, torture us very much in camp. Please stop that. We don't want any ARSO and FBM police as they all are terrorists only for Rohingyas. And also Rohingya youth are prohibited to start education by the Bangladesh FBM and ARSO. Stop force conscription of Rohingya youths. Bangladesh army must be reinstated to protect us. No more hope on FBN police. Stop sending Rohingya youths. Stop FBN from assisting also. Stop the deal with a terrorist. We want only army to protect us in our Rohingya refugee camp. We are not born to be used as human child. Let us live at least a second peacefully. The world cannot turn a blind eye. Where is the international committee? Where is the right? Where is the right watch? Stop the second wave of Rohingya refugee genocide. Is peace seeking a crime? Thank you for listening all my words.